The teacher's legacy, shaping minds and inspiring futures. In a colorful classroom, there was a kind teacher named Mr. Adam. He loved his students and had a big dream to shape young minds and inspire bright futures. Every day, Mr. Adam greeted his students with a warm smile. He made learning fun and exciting, using games and stories to help his students understand new ideas. Mr. Adam believed that education was a powerful tool that could unlock endless possibilities. He encouraged his students to dream big and work hard. Mr. Adam told them, "You can achieve anything you set your mind to. Believe in yourself and never give up." In Mr. Adams' classroom, students felt safe and supported. He created a nurturing environment where everyone felt valued and encouraged. His students loved coming to school because they knew Mr. Adam believed in them. As the years went by, Mr. Adams' students grew up and pursued their dreams. Some became doctors, engineers, artists, and even teachers themselves. They always remembered Mr. Adams' words of wisdom and the impact he had on their lives. His legacy as a teacher lived on through his students. They carried his teachings with them, shaping the minds of future generations. Mr. Adams' passion for education and his belief in his students inspired countless young minds to reach for the stars. The impact of Mr. Adams' teaching went beyond academics. He taught his students the value of kindness, empathy, and hard work. They learned to be respectful and supportive of one another, creating a positive ripple effect in their communities. Years later, Mr. Adam retired from teaching, but his legacy continued to thrive. Former students visited him, expressing their gratitude for the profound impact he had on their lives. They thanked him for shaping their minds and inspiring them to pursue their dreams.